Lots of you have asked me what my palette is, and I'm just going to quickly show it to you. It's two catering trays, two plastic trays, quite large, with a lip on, and in one of them I put layers of kitchen towel, which is absorbent, put some water, damp it with water, not so it's swimming, but just nice and moist, and on top of that I cut a piece of baking parchment or tracing paper, and at the end of a session, when I've still got paint on my palette, I just pop the other one on top, and that just keeps it dry. Dry? No, it keeps it wet for the next time I want to paint. It will stay wet for about 2 or 3 days. It's a great tip. It's very cost effective. You don't waste paint, which you would do normally if you have to tidy up and clean your palette after a day's painting, because acrylic paint dries so quickly. So that's the tip on how I make my palette. And if you have used up all the paint in a painting session, all you have to do is take off the parchment paper and discard that. I always leave my kitchen roll because that lasts for, well, days, maybe weeks even, and then just place another piece of paper on top. It's so easy and it saves on paint, which is expensive, and it just makes life easier. See you on the next video.